Hello dear students, I am Karim and welcome to you class 8 tutorials of computer. Today we will start chapter first, data representation. Under this chapter we will cover number system, binary representation of a number, binary arithmetic. This chapter will be covered in some tutorials. Introduction of data representation. Information in a computer is stored in the form of strings of zeros and ones. The symbols 0 and 1 are together called binary digits or bits and form the binary number system. The memory of a computer can be thought of as a vast group of cells. Each of these cells contains one bit of information. Each cell contains a 0 or a 1. Let me try to understand. Dear students, a combination of bits is used to store information and data in the computer memory. They may be bytes, nibbles or words depending on the number of bits they have. Now, byte. A combination of 8 bits forms 1 byte. Each byte represents one character such as in a capital letter A, B, in a small letter A, B or digit 1, 2, etc. Nibble. A nibble is a group of 4 bits. It can store one decimal digit in its binary form. Word. A group of bits representing data or instructions that forms the basic information unit of a computer is called a word. That means a word may be of 8, 16, 32 or 64 bits. The size of the word depends on the architecture of the computer. A machine with a 16-bit word is slower than one with a 32-bit word. It is a group of fixed number of bits processed as a unit in a single operation. It varies from computer to computer but is fixed for each computer. So, the length of a computer word is called its word size or word length. A computer stores information in the form of words. Dear students, you can see here on the screen other units of memory are. You can see here kilobyte means KB. That is equal to 2 to the power 10 bytes. Megabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 KB. Gigabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 MB. Terabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 GB. Petabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 TB. Exabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 PB. Zettabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 EB. Yottabyte is equal to 2 to the power 10 ZB. Now we will learn about number system. What is a number system? In digital representation, the common number system used are the decimal, the binary, the octal and the hexadecimal number system. The decimal number system is what we most commonly use. It is composed of 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using these digits, you can express any quantity. It is also called the base 10 system because it makes use of 10 digits. The number base is also called the radix. The decimal system is a positional value system, also called the positional value system or the place value notation, in which the value of a digit depends on its position. Dear student, for example, consider the whole number 573. The rightmost digit position is the ones position. The numeral in that position indicates how many ones are present in the number. The next position to the left is the tens, then the hundreds, the thousands and so on. Each digit position has a weight that is 10 times the weight of the position to its right. Dear students, consider another example. I take a number that is 256 in a table. You can see this table has 2 rows here, 1 and 2, and 3 columns 1, 2, 3. First row shows positional value and second row shows the digit, that what digit is rightmost and what digit is leftmost. The rightmost digit has the least positional value or weight. Therefore, it is called the least significant digit. The leftmost digit has the maximum positional value or weight. Therefore, it is called the most significant digit. In the given example 6 is the LSD and 2 is the MSD. In this example 6 is the LSD and 2 is the MSD. By using this table I have solved this number as expandable form. Here you can see 6 position is ones. Then this positional value is 10's power 0. I use here 6 multiplied by 10's power 0. Then I use plus sign. After that 5 position is 10's, so this positional value is 10's power 1. Then here 5 multiplied by 10's power 1. After that I use plus sign. Then 2 position is hundreds, then it is positional value is 10's power 2. Then here 2 multiplied by 10's power 2. You can see here in the second line 2 multiplied by 100 because 10's power 2 written value 100. Then plus sign. After that 5 multiplied by 10 because 10's power 1 is equal to 10, plus 6 multiplied by 1 because 10's power 0 written value 1. In a third line 2 multiplied by 100 product is 200, plus 5 multiplied by 10 product is 50. Then plus sign. 6 multiplied by 1, then product is 6. I have given exercise as a objective type questions. Please solve it. If you have any problem you can comment in the comment box. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you next class. Till then, take care.